How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have on display right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Seville. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday. And yes, I hear you loud and clear for everyone that has been reaching out to me directly over the past few weeks saying, Mr. Tiny, bring back another episode of Single Section Sunday with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath model on a large scale with a split floor plan. And I heard you, so I had to do that. But also, you didn't only ask for that. You asked for something at a competitive price. With the rising cost of housing prices, as well as building materials that we've seen, this is something that is needed in the housing market right now, is a competitive priced home. Well, I went to the drawing board and I said, put me in the game, coach. So I've brought to you today the Seville. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet, 18 wide by 78 feet long, on sale today for $116K. $116,000, you'll get everything you see besides furniture and decor. So $116,000 is the price today. I can't tell you what it's going to be next month or next year, but today in October of 2022, this home is $116K. So guys, this is something that I'm bringing to you to showcase that you can still get a beautiful aesthetic inside your home and the things that you like and come to love from Recreational Resort Cottages by still being at a competitive price. And starting here in the living area, you'll see we have weathered barnwood plank flooring going throughout the entire home. There's no carpet in this home at all. So that right there goes a long way. As soon as you walk into the home, you can see the quality is right there. Also, we've added a 3-blade ceiling fan here centered, black blades, modern aesthetic. And then look at the abundance of space and opportunity you have here for furniture in the living room of the Seville. You see, we've got a couch here off the rear. We have a seat right there as well. Got the nice accent chair. And then we have a love seat over here to the side. What that does is showcase to you that you can accommodate plenty of furniture items, such as a large sectional. You can do a couple of recliners, a coffee table. The options are endless. We've added a window here off the rear, bringing in some natural light for you. And if we're bringing in natural light off the rear, you know we got 2 up front. So right here on the other side of the living area, we have 2 windows as well as 2 transoms. And if that wasn't enough, we added the cottage style door where you have the natural light coming in as well. And if you are a first time viewer of the channel here, welcome. And this is Recreational Resort Cottages, and we put our vents in the ceiling, which is what we've done so today in the Seville. So you can put your furniture placement wherever you wish and do not have to worry about those pesky vents in the floor. With that said, follow me on down and you'll see as we make our way down to the guest side of the home. What I love about this is we're going to the guest bathroom first. What I love is if you have guests over, you can send them into this bathroom. You don't have to worry about sending them into yours, but also it is not connected by a door to the guest bedroom. So that's great that they can go into this bathroom specifically and not have to worry about anyone possibly going into the guest bedroom. So right here, this is a great option. You follow me right in and you'll see right off the bat, we have dual vanities right here. The square style sinks is what we've added. We've got the gray backsplash, plenty of storage down below. And if you want to talk about storage, then you better talk about Mr. Tiny, because I give it to you. Yes, I brought the locker room in here. We have 12 cabinet doors right here for you to store all the towels, all the toilet paper, all this. You make your trip to the local Costco, you stock up, you got your place to hide it right here in your bathroom. And then also we've got space right here. We put your toilet here to the rear, linen cabinet above, and I've even added additional space here where if this storage wasn't enough, you can put anything like a clothes hamper or something there as well. So you've got plenty of space to do so. And then you'll see that we have the shower. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower, which has dual seats on each side. So that way you can sit down, relax. Hey, if you need to shave your legs, we got this seat right there for you to do so. Easy, easy peasy. Glass door there. And then again, if you're subscribed like you should be, then you know Mr. Tiny is 6'1". So as you can see right there with that shower faucet, you have plenty of space and opportunity for anyone of all sizes and heights to be able to accommodate in this shower. So this is a great option here. Now follow me out of the guest bathroom and let's take it to the guest bedroom. Before we do so, get a look at that little transom right there. We're just throwing in a little razzle dazzle. Never hurt anybody. So we got that in there just because we wanted to. And then right here in the guest bedroom, you'll see you got plenty of space in this room. You can do any size bed that you would like. King size all the way down to a twin. You can even do bunk beds in here, whatever you want. And then right here off the side, again, natural light here off the front. We also had to add the ceiling fan here. Again, black blades, vents in the ceiling as you see. And then we have the double doors right here leading in to your closet. And with this closet here, you got plenty of space and opportunity for all your guests. They can stay a while with all this area right here for your clothes. You got plenty of room right here to accommodate. So again, we got this ready to go. Behind the double doors, we'll close this back right here and follow me back out to the main area. I love this split floor plan, this split layout. And as you follow me back through, look how this opens up to the rest of the Seville. You come back to the living area and look at this flow from the living room to the kitchen. And this is what you call an open concept. So that 1,400 square feet I talked about earlier feels so much larger with the open floor plan. And right here, you'll see large island right here centered. What I love about it is we have the antique marula pine countertop. We have even matched it up top with the ceiling accent that is also in the antique marula pine with 2 can lights as well. And that's shining right down on this one basin stainless steel farm sink that you got right here that has been a fan favorite for a lot of you that are watching and subscribe. You have the additional drawers right here on one side of the island. We have the built-in stainless steel dishwasher on the opposite side of the island, which is complementing your stainless steel appliances right here. We have the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door built in here. We have all of your cabinets surrounding. We've even added cubbies up top that you can add nice decor up there like we've done so, or you can even have additional storage for your cooking utensils, your sugars, everything that you need, spices. And down low, we have the Arctic countertop with the gray backsplash, complementing the smooth top oven and the convection oven as well, all in stainless steel. Additional storage on each side, and that gives you plenty of space. So if you're cooking up a meal, it's hot and ready, we've got it right here for you that you can take it right here to the dining area. As you'll see, we have this beautiful round table here, additional windows right up front, bringing in that natural light. So this is great for you guys to sit down, have a nice bite to eat. And what I love about that is, hey, if you were eating something, hey, we got additional storage right here as well. So you got additional food storage here for you with a 6-door pantry right here for your convenience. We could have easily walled that off and just called it a day, but that's not the Mr. Tiny way. So we have to add this 6-door pantry in here because that's what you want. And if you know me, then you know I'm not just gonna give you that. Come on now, this is Recreational Resort Cottages and Mr. Tiny. That 6-door pantry ain't gonna do it, but this will. Look right here. We have the built-in hutch right here. This is basically a multitude of uses that you can add right here. We've got 3 doors on this side, 3 doors on the opposite, long, slim transom up top. Ooh, the buffet can happen here. Everybody get up. The catering arrived. But also, you can sit there and add in your blenders. You can add in your coffee makers. All the outlets are here for your leisure. You can get to them quick. So we got that in there for you. Also, the additional cabinets down low. 8 more drawers. Golly, how much silverware does one need? We got it in there for you if you need it. And then right across here, if the dining area wasn't enough, we even have the elongated island section here with the countertop hanging over. So that way you can accommodate more stools and more seating for additional guests. And what I love about this is right here tucked off the rear, you'll see that we have your laundry room. So right here in the laundry room, we have the space for the side-by-side washer and dryer. You can put that in here. Everything's great. We've got your electrical panel box over here to the side as well. Now follow me on out and we'll take it to the primary bedroom. And as you follow me back, you'll see that this primary bedroom, you see the distance between the guest bedroom and the primary. Look at this. This is what you're looking for. When you talk about a split floor plan, we give you a split floor plan. And look how large this bedroom is. Again, any size bed that you wish, up to a California king, you can accommodate in here. Also, again, of course, everybody else got a ceiling fan. Why would we not give you one? So there's another one there for you. 2 more windows up front, bringing in the natural light. We also have your walk-in closet here. So this one, you got extra space back here. This is what I call hers and his. We got that in there for you. So we got something a little bit for everybody. So we've got that in there, and then we will take it into the primary bathroom. Now you guys follow me in here and come on in. And this is ensuite bath. So we have the 72-inch soaker tub right here. So you can soak all your sorrows away. Just light a couple candles, grab a nice book. We've got additional shelving right here with the open face cubbies here for you. And then of course, you got a dual vanity in the other bathroom. So what you think you're gonna get here? Another dual vanity. So we've got that there for you as well. We have your toilet over here to the side. You've seen one of those, you've seen them all. But also you have additional linen cabinet above your toilet. And then over here tucked around the corner, you have again your shower, which is a 1-piece fiberglass shower. Again, guys, this is coming in at a competitive price. So for those of you who have been asking, when you want to see a tile shower, hey, go to another video. We're trying to get the best bang for your buck in a 1,400 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the way to do it. Get all the quality, all the aesthetics. And hey, this fiberglass shower works great as well. And as you follow me out, look at this space. Plenty of space again, and look how this opens up back into the main area of the home. This Seville is one for a thrill right here at 116K. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Where do they do this at? It must be recreational resort cottages, I'm telling you. And again, the statistics of this home is going to be 18 feet wide, 78 feet long, 1,400 square feet. Again, it's on sale today for 116K. So this is a great 2-bedroom, 2-bath model if you are currently in the market right now. And if you love the Seville, you love my idea of basically bringing you a large, mid-size home coming in at a very competitive price, let me know right now by hitting that thumbs up. Hit that like button and hit that notification bell so that way you're notified each and every week as I keep these videos coming. Also, if you really enjoyed the video, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the Seville was. Let me know if you love us bringing these homes that we're known for at a very competitive price point that's efficient for anyone, anywhere. Also, if you're subscribed, like you should be, then you're part of the family. If you're not subscribed, it's your first time watching the channel, hey, stay tuned. I got plenty of more where that came from. So please subscribe so you can see me each and every week showcasing tiny homes all the way up to multi-section homes, 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet. I do any and all and everything in between. And also, if you want to contact me directly, you know what to do. Run over to Instagram at TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny. You can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Seville as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night. I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.